Challenge students and help them develop mechatronic engineering skills with the Arduino Engineering Kit Rev 2. This kit is a versatile hands-on learning tool that demonstrates key control system concepts, core aspects of mechatronics, and MATLAB and Simulink programming through exciting and creative projects. Students are able to associate what they learn with real-world industries and improve their critical and cognitive skills by learning through experimentation. Educators can effortlessly tailor the kit to their students' needs and their own curriculum. This kit can be used as a core module of a new engineering mechatronic class, or freely adapt the content to your own ideas and experiments while learning how to use MATLAB and Simulink, for example, as part of laboratories and final projects. In addition to the 3 projects included, the kit gives the opportunity for lots of experimentation. Both students and educators have the freedom to experiment, design, and develop new solutions using the Arduino Engineering Kit's software and hardware components. These are some of the tools commonly used in the industries that help students gain valuable career skills they will utilize in the future. Students can also buy the kit to experiment at home and for extending learning. Get yours now!